Hello, and welcome back to another edition of Carrie's Gardening Channel. So today is February the 23rd of 2020, and I'm out in the greenhouse today, and I'm going to be starting some Yarrow Parker's variety seeds today. Now this is a yellow Yarrow, and you can see my seeds here. Now I do recommend that you chill your seeds of your perennials for 2 weeks prior to planting them to help break the dormancy of the seeds. And what I do is I take my seeds, put them in a Ziploc bag, put them in the refrigerator for 2 weeks, and then take them out when I'm ready to plant them. Now, Yarrow germinates best at about 60 to 90 degrees, and it takes about 10 to 14 days for it to come up. Now, you want to surface sow these seeds. So I'm using a flat here because I'm going to be taking the seedlings out then and putting them like in cell packs. So I already mixed my Jiffy Natural Inorganic Seed Starting Mix, which I have a link down in the description for the seed starting mix that I use. And you can see videos on my channel for how I mix my seed starting mix. And I have my little tags back here to label what I'm planting. And I'll have links down in the description for those too. So you can see my seeds here, and they are very small. So, like I said, you want to surface sow these, so you don't want to cover them. So I'm just going to start sprinkling these across the soil here. And they're just kind of falling in. You can see there's some there. Now if I get two that are too close together, I'm just going to pick it up here and move it over to here. There we go. You can see the seeds right there. It's that little teeny white thing there. And Yarrow is really good for attracting beneficial bugs to your yard. So I'm going to finish putting these in, and then I'll come back and I'll talk to you a little bit more. So I'll be right back. Okay, so I got all my seeds sown in, and where my last seed was planted at, I left a little space on this side here, and I ran a line down through so that I can plant in the rest of my flat here something different. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to press my hand across the soil to firm the seeds in. I make sure I don't have any stuck to my hands. And I'm going to just take my spray bottle of water here. There we go. And I'm going to spray over the top of this soil here. And I'm going to make sure that my soil stays nice and moist as these seeds are germinating. And as they're germinating, then I can go ahead and I can prick the seedlings out that are germinating and let the rest of them germinate. Because when I'm done planting this whole flat, I'm going to move it onto the heated floor for some extra warmth so that they germinate faster. So it's going to keep my seed starting mix warmer. So when these start coming up, I will come back with more videos and I will show them to you. And Yarrow is one of my favorite perennials to grow. It has like a ferny foliage to it, and the foliage is really like soft, and people use Yarrow in their compost piles to help with the breaking down of the compost pile. Okay, so today is February the 28th of 2020, and I wanted to show you here, my Yarrow did start coming up for me and germinating, so I am going to be taking this out of and separating these out of their flat here then. And they started coming up on the 26th of February. They started germinating for me. So I got to do the video today for you. But I just want to show you that they are coming up. And I'll show you then how to take these out and transplant them then when they're ready. So if you like my video, please like, comment, subscribe. Please don't forget to hit the little notification button. That tells I put a new video on. You can also follow me on Twitter. I'll have a link down in the description for my Twitter account. Thank yous for watching, and I hope you have a nice day. Bye.